From a basic slide to a professional presentation, from designing simple slides to creating smooth animations and professional presentations. In this video, I'll teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint from start to finish.
You sure you know how to do all that?
We're about to find out. First, you actually need PowerPoint. If you want to use it for free, you can go to powerpoint.new and it will open PowerPoint directly into your browser. If you want the full app, you can get Microsoft 365 from Microsoft's website. Once you open PowerPoint, you'll land on the home screen. On the home screen, you can start a new blank presentation or choose from different templates and themes. Templates are basically pre-designed slides, so you don't have to design everything yourself. You can also search for old presentations here and quickly open recent ones. For this tutorial, I'm going to start with a blank presentation. Before doing anything else, it's a good idea to save your presentation. Just click the save icon or press Ctrl S or Command S. You can save it on your computer or upload it into OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage. Saving it in the cloud is useful because it auto-saves your work and makes it easier to share later. Every presentation starts with a slide. To add another slide, go to the Home tab and click New Slide. You can also press Ctrl M, which is a quick shortcut. If you keep adding slides, you'll start building the structure of your presentation. Think of slides like pages in a story. Each slide can have a different layout. For example, a title slide, a slide with text, a slide with pictures, and so on. If you want to change the layout, just click Layout and choose the one you want. This helps organize your content so everything doesn't look messy. If your slides are in the wrong order, don't worry. You can just click and drag them to move them around. You can also hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple slides and move them together. So if you change your mind later, it is very easy to reorganize everything. If you don't need the slide anymore, just right-click it and press Delete. Or press the Delete key on your keyboard.
So basically, delete things?
Yes, very advanced technology. Now, let's make the presentation look better. Go to the Design tab and choose a theme. Theme changes the colors, fonts, and overall style of your slides. You can also open Designer, which automatically suggests slide designs based on what's on your slide. Sometimes it comes up with really nice layouts you might not have thought of. If you want every slide to follow the same design, you can use Slide Master. Go to the View tab and click Slide Master. Here you can change things like fonts, colors, backgrounds, and logos. Any change you make here will apply to every slide in your presentation. This is really useful for things like company presentation or school projects. If you have a lot of text, you can convert it into something more visual using SmartArt. PowerPoint will turn it into diagrams like lists, cycles, or processes. This makes your slides easier to understand. To add text anywhere on the slide, go to Insert and click Text Box. Then just click on the slide and start typing. You can change the font, size, color, and position of the text. This makes presentation way more interesting. Go to Insert and click Pictures. You can add pictures from your computer, stock images, or even search online. Once the image is on the slide, you can resize it, move it, and apply styles. If you're enjoying this video so far, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel.
What do they do?
More tutorials like this.
Fair enough.
Sometimes objects can overlap each other. If something is hidden behind another object, you can change the layer order. Right-click the object and choose Bring to Front or Send to Back. You can also open the selection pane to see every object on the slide. This makes it easier to manage complex slides. Animations let you control how things appear on the slide. Go to the Animation tab and choose an animation like Fade or Fly In. You can even set objects to appear one by one while you're presenting. This helps keep your audience focused instead of showing everything at once. If you want to show data, you can insert a chart. Go to Insert and click Chart. PowerPoint will open a small spreadsheet where you can enter your data. Once you finish, the chart updates automatically. Shapes can help highlight important information. Go to Insert and choose Shapes. You can add circles, arrows, lines, and more. These are useful for pointing out key parts of your slide. One really cool transition is called Morph. First duplicate your slide, then move or resize objects on the second slide. After that, apply the Morph Transition. When you present, PowerPoint will smoothly animate the change between slides. It looks really professional. If you don't want to memorize everything, you can use speaker notes. At the bottom of the screen, you can type notes for each slide. Your audience won't see them, but you will while presenting. It is basically like a cheat sheet.
So you're telling people to cheat?
No, I prefer the term professional assistants. If you want others to review your slides, click share. You can send the presentation through email or share it through the cloud. People can leave comments and suggestions. When you're ready to present, go to the slideshow tab. You can start from the beginning or from the current slide. You can also press F5, which is the fastest way to start presenting. During the presentation, you can use tools like the laser pointer to highlight things on the slide. If you want to turn your presentation into a video, go to the Record tab. You can record your voice and slide timing. After recording, you can export the presentation as a video. This is great for online lessons or YouTube videos. And that's the basics of using Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you start experimenting with designs, animations, and layouts, you can create really impressive presentations. Just remember, your slide should support your message, not replace it. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out my channel for more tutorials like this. I've got plenty more presentation and guides coming your way, so stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next video.